Imagine Thor, the god of thunder, bringing Stormbreaker down with all his might, the exact same strike that nearly killed Thanos. Now imagine Doctor Doom stopping it cold with just two fingers. The Private Avengers Doomsday trailer just screened at CinemaCon. No phones were allowed, but the descriptions leaked, and the roster isn't just big. It is a multiverse meat grinder. We aren't just getting the Avengers back, we are getting a full scale collision with the Fantastic Four and the Fox X Men universe. If hearing that Gambit fights Shang-Chi makes your head spin, take a breath. You do not have to rewatch 30 different movies before December to understand what's happening. Today I'm giving you the exact confirmed roster of every character in the Doomsday trailer and kicking off your ultimate survival guide to the MCU. Now for anyone who might be the new to this world or wondering exactly how this information got out, let me give you a quick crash course. CinemaCon is a massive, highly exclusive convention held in Las Vegas where all the major Hollywood studios present their upcoming blockbusters directly to the movie theater owners. It is notorious for screening highly classified footage that general public isn't allowed to see. This year's event just wrapped up, running from April 13 to April 16, 2026. And during Disney's massive presentation on Thursday, April 16, Robert Downey Jr. himself actually took the stage to personally introduce this Doomsday trailer to the room. Let's dive into exactly what they saw. Starting with the three characters this entire trailer revolves around, because the psychological weight here is heavy. First, Doctor Doom. Robert Downey Jr. is back, but not as a Tony Stark. The room saw Victor Von Doom in full armor and cape, kneeling with a scarred face, speaking in a Latvian accent. He arrives with a chilling warning, saying, "Something's coming before the day is done. We shall be faced with an unthinkable decision." Then we have Thor. Thor is terrified. In a massive speech, he tells the divided Avengers to put aside their petty squabbles, admitting that the enemies of the past scare him far less than Doom. We see him fight Doom directly, bringing Stormbreaker down in a massive overhead strike, but Doom stops it cold with just two fingers. His angry green eyes glaring from under the metal mask, Thor screams in frustration and says, "We are going to need a miracle." And that is where our third heavy hitter comes in, Steve Rogers. Chris Evans is back. We get a quick glimpse of him in the past holding his son, but the massive reveal is in the present. He's wearing modern clothes, younger looking with long hair and light beard. He looks more like what we saw him in Infinity War. We hear him say, "Hey pal." Thor whispers, "It's not possible." And the final closing image of the trailer is Mjolnir zipping right out of Thor's hand into the Steve Rogers grip. Next, we have the most insane part of the leaks. The Fox X-Men are here, and they are not just making cameos, they are going to war. The trailer immediately grounds us in the Fox universe, opening on the discarded X-Mansion gate sign reading 1407 Grey Malkin Lane. The sky is glowing red from an incursion. Professor X wearing a new X logo and Magneto are back, embracing their fate inside the mansion as the sky burns. But outside, it's absolute chaos. James Marsden's Cyclops is in a comic-accurate suit, unleashing a full optic blast while massive 90s style Sentinel stomp behind him, with the severed Sentinel head resting on the ground. Inside, Rebecca Romans, Mystic, rocking short-haired hair and white jacket, catches a baton thrown by Yelena Belova. She changed her shape directly into Yelena's face, giving us a crazy shot of two identical Yelenas choking each other. And the biggest shocker, Channing Tatum's Gambit. He flipped down a stained glass roof, slamming his staff to create a shockwave. We see his staff glowing purple as he actively duels Shang-Chi's glowing orange ten rings, ending with the Gambit holding up a glowing ace of hearts. We see the newly rebuilt Avengers Tower with a massive sharp new A logo. Inside the penthouse, there is a tense standoff between the old Avengers and the Thunderbolts. In the middle of it all, Reed Richards in a white jacket stands before a screen showing three connected circles, explaining the incursions. We also see a Sue Storm casting a force field and later sharing a hug with her brother Johnny. On one side of the room, Sam Wilson is fully suited up as Captain America with his shield. We see Bucky Barnes rocking in his new suit with Red Star, John Walker, US agent, is wearing his new beret alongside Ghost and Red Guardian, who is wearing a ridiculous new jumpsuit covered in product placement. We also get a quiet emotional moment of Scott Lang Ant-Man kissing the forehead of a blonde girl who looks exactly like Cassie. The visual effect here sound insane. The ocean above Namor's kingdom of Talocan has been parted like the Red Sea, held back by a massive wall of water. Namor sits on his megalodon jawbone throne in the dry air, surrounded by Wakandans in a threatening stance. Shuri armors up as a Black Panther, and this dried out ocean bed. An insane crossover meeting happens. Ben Grimm and Sue Storm meet face to face with Shuri, M'Baku, Bucky, and Sam. Shuri ends the scene by giving a salute directly to Sue. There was also a mention of Joaquin Torres Falcon possibly being in the background of this meeting, but that is the only unconfirmed sighting in this list. Before we wrap this up, the directors of this movie, the Russo brothers, made a massive claim on the CinemaCon stage. They looked at the crowd and said, Victor Von Doom is the greatest Marvel villain of all time. Yes, he is greater than Thanos. Kevin Feige also confirmed exactly how this timeline works. He stated that Doomsday picks up right where Endgame left off, but goes all the way back to connect with the very first Fox X-Men movie. To prep for this, Marvel is actually re-releasing Avengers Endgame in theaters this September with never-before-seen deleted scenes. All of this is leading up to the official Avengers Doomsday release on December 18, 2026. Doctor Doom, Thor, Steve Rogers, the Fantastic Four, the Fox X-Men, the Thunderbolts, and Wakanda. Look at that roster. You are dealing with the storylines spanning the original MCU, alternate universe, and 2 decades of Fox movies. It is a lot. If you are panicking about how much lore you need to catch up on before December 18th, take a breath. You don't need to do the homework because I am doing it for you. This video officially kicks off my brand new series, Road to Doomsday. Over the next few months, we are going to dive deep. I'll be breaking down exactly where every major player's lore left off, analyzing their tragic flaws, their current mental states, and telling you exactly what you need to know before the opening night. No endless rewatching required. The Road to Doomsday playlist is on your screen and in the description right now. Click it, save it, hit subscribe, and let's get ready for a war. I'll see you in the next one.